Okay, before we do some data visualization, we should perhaps ask ourselves why we'd want to do that. So to answer that question, I'm just going to look inside this building here. We can see some beams, and if I go to their properties, we can see they're concrete beams. And if I go and find similar, we can see we've got 10 concrete beams in here. And if we highlight them and emphasize them, we can see what we've got. So that's great. It tells us about these beams, but it doesn't tell us anything else. Now, obviously, beams have properties, and maybe I'm interested in the length of these beams. So let's get rid of that and clear our display. And let's go and have a look at data visualization. This is data visualization here. And as you can see, I've already got some in here, but let's start off by looking at beams by length. If I turn this on, you can see that it has visualized our model with 4 longer beams and 6 shorter beams. Here's the 6 shorter beams, and these are the 4 longer beams. And we can turn those on and off in this view. So it takes a query and takes it a little bit further by adding some level of property to it. And you can see if I switch this columns by length, I've got some columns of 2 differing lengths in here. So let's go and have a look. Let's go and turn that off, and let's go and edit this one. Okay, let's go and see how that was made. Well, we give it a name, that's a must. We pick a class, so I picked the concrete beam class, beam concrete, and beams concrete have a bunch of properties. And the one I was interested in was the length. It was a simple matter of generating and then assigning a color to each of the 2 lengths. And if I wanted to do a new one from scratch, we would just hit the create button here and go through that same process. So as you can see, if I go down to the beams concrete, we can pick the length, just type L in there for length, and there it is, and we would generate. And that's picked those 2 differing lengths in here, and it's just a matter now of picking the colors we'd like to see for those. So I just go for a red and a green, and it's a simple matter of giving it a name, and that's it. That's how we do data visualization.